Good morning, students. How are you? Hope everyone is fine. Today, we will discuss our first chapter of civics, the Indian Constitution. The chapter Indian Constitution highlights the importance and need for a constitution for a democratic country. It also explains the crucial features of the Indian Constitution. It was in 1934 when the Congress put the demand for a constituent assembly for India for the first time. As the Second World War, which was held in 1939 to 1945, commenced, this assertion only grew further among the Indians. Finally, the British government agreed to it, which finally convinced in December 1946. Several lawmakers come together to draft the Constitution of India between December 1946 and November 1949. That our Constitution was completed. It was implemented on January 26, 1950, which we celebrate as a Republic Day today. A majority of countries across the world identify themselves as democratic. Several such countries have their own constitution. A constitution is crucial for any country as it serves various purposes which help in the smooth functioning of a country. Firstly, it puts forward particular ideals on whose basis as a citizens we get to know that in which type of country we wish to live in. Secondly, it also defines our society's fundamental nature. In our country, you may come across different communities of people with certain beliefs living together, but they may have different opinions. If that country has a constitution, it then provides a set of rules and principles. Through this, all the citizens would agree upon in what manner they want the country to be governed. It includes the government type and certain ideals which could uphold the country. Nepal. A situation in Nepal. Nepal is a country which has China in its north and India in its south. In the last 3 decades, the Nepalese citizens led several struggles for democracy. One major such struggle had taken place in 1990, after which the democracy lasted till 2002 in the country. It was of the constitutional monarchy type and final authority rested with the king. Citing Maoist uprising as a reason, the then king Gyanendra took over the government different aspect with the help of army. However, the people of Nepal wanted democracy. Soon a large-scale protest erupted all over the country in 2006, which was led by Maoist. Finally, the king bowed to the protesters and he restored the parliament. He invited different parties to form the government. In 2008, the Nepal parliament passed a judgment to abolish monarchy. Finally, the country became democratic in two aspects. Now, what is democracy? A democracy is a setup where people choose their leaders through elections. These leaders exercise their powers while running the government. Although there are chances that the leaders could even misuse their powers, however, our constitution has provided certain measures to deal with such leaders. Here, 3 examples are given in your book. First of all, we will discuss these examples. Examples of misuse of power.